Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to code guys Infinix mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Infinix mobile guys Wi-Fi full setting, how to use Wi-Fi setting, how to set up Wi-Fi in Infinix mobile one by one, and friends step by step we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video friends. Friends, first of all open your Infinix mobile phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Infinix mobile. Friends, click here Wi-Fi setting and on your Wi-Fi. After turn on Wi-Fi friends, you can see this type interface in your device. So friends, which network you want to connect you have at your home, select your network. And friends, you want to add any network, so you can add. After that you can connect this network in your mobile. So friends, I have Mukesh network. Friends, I will select this network, and friends I will enter password. Friends, after enter password, click here connect, and friends Wi-Fi network will connect in your device. And friends, now you can use Infinix mobile Wi-Fi setting. After connect Wi-Fi network, friends, you have Instagram app, WhatsApp app, so you can use Facebook app you have, so you can also. Friends, I will on YouTube app, and friends now we will use YouTube app. So friends, after connect Wi-Fi network, you can use YouTube app, WhatsApp app, Instagram app, Snapchat app. And friends, again click here phone setting. Friends, you want to disconnect Wi-Fi network. Friends, click here, and friends you can disconnect Wi-Fi network. Friends, Wi-Fi network will disconnect, and friends you cannot use. And friends, you want to share this Wi-Fi network, so you can share Wi-Fi network from here. And friends, you want to check Infinix mobile save network, Wi-Fi network save network setting. Friends, click here. Friends, you can check your Wi-Fi save network here. Click here again. You want to connect. Friends, click here. Wi-Fi network will connect, and friends again you can use this Wi-Fi network on your device. And friends, you want to forget Wi-Fi network. Friends, if you click forget option, so guys after forget you cannot use this Wi-Fi network. You want to use, friends, again you will have to connect Wi-Fi. You will have to enter password. Then friends, you can connect again in your device. Friends, you want to check Wi-Fi data uses, Infinix mobile Wi-Fi data uses, so you can check Wi-Fi data uses. Click here, and then select date, and you can check 12 Feb to 12 March. And friends, you want to check 12 March and 9 April, so you can check from here. So like that friends, you can check Wi-Fi data uses in your Infinix mobile. And friends, you want to join any Wi-Fi network with QR code, then scan QR code and you can join any Wi-Fi network with QR code. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to use Wi-Fi full setting in Infinix mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.